Democrats categorically state that Amaechi is not a patriot. He is not an enemy. He is an enemy of democracy, an enemy of peace, an enemy of Nigeria, given his history of financial mismanagement, corruption, and abuse of office. It is evident that Amaechi is not attempting to divert public attention to make reckless and exciting statements. However, he will not escape accountability. We hereby issue a 72-hour ultimatum to the Economic and Financial Crime Commission, EFCC, to 1, reopen and investigate all pending corruption petitions against Rotimi Amaechi from his time as governor of Rivers State and as Minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. 2, provide Nigerians with full disclosure of its findings. 3, take appropriate legal action to ensure that he is held accountable for his wrongdoing. Failure to act within the stipulated time will leave us with no option but to mobilize in mass and occupy the EFCC headquarters in Abuja until justice is served. It is time for accountability. The days of using political manipulation to invade justice are all over. Amaechi must answer for his deeds. Perhaps Amaechi and others who think they can manipulate our youth into chaos should rethink their actions. Nigeria is not a lawless country. The government has a duty to maintain peace and security, and it will not hold its arms while unpatriotic elements attempt to derail national progress. We are sending a clear message to other frustrated politicians who are considering Amaechi's path. Your attempts to incite unrest will not succeed. Your desperation for political relevance will not be entertained. If you have cases of corruption, be ready to face justice. Nigeria has moved past the era where political losers could cause instability simply because they are no longer in power. We are in a new era of national progress, and no amount of desperation will take us back to the dark days of political anarchy. Evidently, while some failed politicians are calling for violence, true patriots are working tirelessly to move Nigeria forward. The Tinubu-led administration has been making steady progress in various sectors, from economy reforms to infrastructure development and security enhancement. We urge all well-meaning Nigerians to ignore and reject the exciting call of political opportunists, support government effort to build a better and more secure Nigeria, and hold leaders accountable through lawful and democratic means. No violence. Nigeria belongs to all of us. We must protect it. Those who seek to destroy it for their selfish interests. In conclusion, let it be clearly stated, Amaechi's reckless comments are a threat to national peace and must be condemned by all. His record in governance is abysmal, and he has no moral standing to incite Nigerians. He is seeking political relevance through violence and agitation. The EFCC must probe his past financial dealing within 72 hours or face mass protests. Nigeria must remain united and patriotic in rejecting his distractions. The concerned Democrats stand firm in defending democracy, peace, and national stability. We will not allow Nigeria to be thrown into chaos by desperate politicians. The government must take strong action against Amaechi's incitement to violence. And we call on security agencies to watch closely those who seek to manipulate the masses into anarchy. Nigeria will move forward, no matter the distraction. Thank you. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.